Hi guys, and today is a pretty special day for me because it's a little surprise that YouTube gave me. I wonder what it could be. Let's take a look. Hurry. Okay. All right. See it. There's some file right here. Oh look, there's a little paper right here. Let's read it. There's a little paper right here. I'm gonna read it. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? And if each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel and to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Here's the letter right here. All right. Oh my God. Look at this. Let's open it. Oh my God. This is it. All right, so I just want to talk to all my supporters about something. Like a year ago, I was only at like 20 subscribers. I never thought to myself I was like close to quitting. I was actually close to quitting YouTube because I'm not good at this. Like I can't do this. But then I just decided to keep going and going and going. And I never stopped. Just stick. So the moral of this is just listen to what your heart tells you. You gotta listen to what your heart tells you. And I want to give all of my subscribers a huge, huge thanks for subscribing to me over the years and supporting me. You have no idea how much it means to me. And thank you for helping me get this. Well, that's pretty much it. Peace.